Ijoma.
Where are you going?
Let me sleep outside.
What is this now? Ogini, how else like
Let me sleep here. Let me sleep here.
Please now, baby, give me listening ears.
Let me sleep here. If you want to sleep inside, let me sleep outside, baby. Leave me.
Please now, listen to me.
Let me sleep outside. Ogini. Give me pillow. Give me pillow. Give me pillow. Can't I rest in my own house again?
You have been resting now. It's just now. I said, let me tell you something.
Leave me. Let me sleep now. Leave me.
You will sleep now.
I thought they say that a child brings joy to the family. That a child bundle parents together. But your own case is different. Since we gave birth to our son, every time problem. That is why when I asked you not to name that child Woto, you're not hearing me. Every time, problem.
Baby, I'm sorry.
Before, I thought all these things was pregnancy hormones. So now that you have given birth, what hormones is this one now? Is it now motherhood hormones? What's all this nonsense? Let me rest now. Give me pillow.
Calm down. I'm the one talking to you. The mother of your child. Your wife. I'm sorry, please.
I thought when you give birth, all these things will stop. Huh? What is it? Keyo?
Please, I don't want us to worry. I don't want us to shout. I want us to talk like parents. Get our with the parents. If we are shouting, what will our son think of us? All I say, Keyo, the parents.
I've been sneezing since morning. Have you ever bothered to ask me, why are you sneezing? Hey, Joma?
It's because you don't want to give me audience. Once you listen to what I'm saying now, this sneezing will go.
You okay, yo?
I don't want to quarrel. I don't want to shout. Just calm down.
Keyo.
I spoke with the pediatrician, the doctor. I told her about my breast that I'm not lactating well. So she came up with a solution.
So your breast is now a national problem that you now go to everywhere to ask them of a solution. Hey, Joma.
It's for the betterment of the family, for the child to have.
Why not go and put it on newspaper? Yeah? Go ahead.
So she said because the baby is still tender. So the baby does not latch well. Although Onaha Midosi, Onaha Tinyonunala very well. So Onaha Miami, and that the breast is not fully stimulated. But that once that I can find a way to stimulate the breast milk all this complaint about breast milk about no lactating, it will just disappear.
How is that enough my problem? Stimulate it now.
Yes.
Am I holding you? Stimulate the breast now.
That's why I came to you.
Okay.
So she now said that her husband, she encountered the problem, that I'm not the only one, that this problem, new moms have it. And once the farmer once they give birth, they will start, their breast milk will not run immediately. That their husbands used to suck it. That my husband doesn't joke with my breast too. That it won't be a problem. So I now said, let me tell you, baby, you stimulate it, you do it.
Okay.
That thing you used to do, you now do it now. But now we will not do it intentionally.
I don't get. Stimulate it or can we like a page I don't understand. Stimulate it how? How do I come in? I'm trying to what do you want me to do?
Maybe I want you to suck my breast.
Hey!
You dey use your function to play.
Young bagala.
Hey.
You're not some mother. Hey Joma. Is breast milk for adults?
Baby,
don't I have my offer and offer that I used to eat? Hey Joma, I don't need your breast milk. The person that needs your breast milk is Woto Chuku, not to me.
Baby, understand the point.
Which point?
The point I'm making, take your mind off the breast milk. It's my breast that I want you to suck.
I cannot suck it.
Why?
Hey. I cannot suck it. I can't suck it.
It's my breast you're talking about. This breast that you don't used to allow to rest. Breast that you used to beg, used to cry, used to kneel down, used to crawl.
It's dead. It is dead. Hey! Is that time? Ogago.
And they never leave you.
Look at me very well. If I walk on the road now, do you know how many people that will stop me? Do you know how many people that will even beg to do what I'm asking you to do?
Go and meet them.
I should go and meet them.
You are showing me yourself. Let me do what? A politician doesn't do campaign after election. Ijoma, Idago. You are my baby. You're my wife. So the time I used to beg you, I cannot beg you again. A politician, Peter Obi will not win election and then still be doing campaign. Ijoma,
I forgot na see finish but no problem. It is not about me. She's okay. I know that you have changed. Ever since I put to bed, you could have gotten no change. You don't care about me. When I say my head is paining me, you don't even bother to ask me. When I say I'm hungry, you don't ask me what I want to eat. But you used to do all this is when I was pregnant. Before I will even say Jack Robinson, you never go for intro. You talk about you going to. It has gotten to the point where I'm talking and you want to leave me.
Let me go and sleep, Ijoma. Let me go and sleep.
My enemies.
Let me go and sleep.
My enemies.
Let me go and sleep.
But it's not about me. It is not about me. Okay, it's about our son. It's about our baby. What I can get Buzionu? Will he die of starvation that he came to our family? Chijoke, do this thing for the baby. It's not because of
It's
me.
okay. It's okay. Blackmail in A1. So Badelia. You have just mentioned somebody that touched my heart. Our son.
Yes.
No problem. No problem. Ijoma, if I will do this thing, I'll do it because of God and our son.
Thank you.
Woto.
Thank you.
I know why I'm doing this.
God bless you.
For your information, I like bless, but not it's not same mother bless. I don't do suck nothing mother's bless. I like bless. I'm telling you now, if I suck it once,
No problem.
so how do you know it has started learning? If I started,
Can I go do one before I buy two? Let's do this one first before we enter the second one.
I should suck the bless. It will help stimulate so that you can feed my son.
Yes.
Doctor said that.
Yes.
Recommendation.
Yes.
Bubutala.
Dala kwa eba.
Bubutala ka mo la zo po ala bubutala.
Suke fu eba.
Ebe. Bubutala ala no.
No be juju be that.
You don't know. Let's inside.
Ijoma.
Let's go inside.
Ijoma. Je ke sara asa. Just sa dia rasa. Go. Make sure you watch it. Atokwa mo alola. I don't want to old bless milk. Flesh bless milk. Atokwa mo alola. Just sa answer.
Thank you.
A few moments later.
Baby. Where are you going to now, Where are you going to?
Just get some Nazareth, Ijoma. Hey, Jesus, get some Nazareth.
Because you hear me, what is it?
Ijoma. Oh, yeah, kill young. Hey, Jesus Christ. Ijoma.
Baby, what is it? What is it?
This your blessed milk. Is this soya milk or soured milk? Hey, Jesus Christ. Ijoma. Yeah, kill young. Hey. Now I thought yabase. Hey, Ijoma.
Why you shout?
Hey. I foresee why this son doesn't want to drink your blessed milk. Ijoma. Your blessed milk will have pepper inside.
How will I know? I don't know.
Tasting like something that is sour, Ijoma.
Baby, breast milk, sweet.
Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Come get alcohol inside. All the alcohol you drank when you were doing Abobia now came to your blessed milk, Ijoma.
Oh, baby, why are you talking like
Do you know that this your blessed milk have 7% alcohol inside? I'm sucking it. My eyes was doing me this. My eyes was shaking. Oh, kaka can now come go. Hey, Ijoma.
Come and finish what you started.
Are you normal? Are you okay?
Come and finish what you started.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Oh.
Come and start when you finish. Yeah, I was tea.
Ijoma, iya kine yenwam. Hey! Ijoma, please, for point of information from today, before you give this my son, this your blessed milk, warm it. Hey! Please warm the blessed milk with the soured.
I should warm it.
Obaloka!
Or rice can rice forget it.
It's not right.
Or rice and a warm.
Ijoma.
What kind of thing is that one? Baby, go.
Test the blessed milk, test it. Test it from me, test it.
Baby, please. You've not even finished.
I was going to do what?
This one with the base. The main milk, you've not even tested it.
Okay, the base be a baloka. Then you made the flesh. You have something upstairs. But that's up, before you give my son this or bless me, warm monya, warm milala. Now warm me a warm. Warm it.
I said it. I said it.
I'm a mongo keep na kabun quarter.
Okay, what is it? I don't know. I don't know what to do. Let me go and call your sister. I think she'll be the one to talk sense into your head.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Na nwala odiko na aba m n'anya na asị m ọ bụ ọmọnya nwụnya na aba m n'anya amụrụ m n'ala nwe alcohol percentage a ọ dị m ka ọ gbara ụka dị m ka ọ sa adịrị ya na awọ m ala awọ mfe onye nwala ka nsịkwa nwana anwala ọ na-agba ala nwana anwala ọ na-agba ala amụrụ m na ala nwe ose n'ime na-atọ m iyabasị Ijeọma ka ebe ọ nọ ị ga na awọ m ara finye nwa m ara